What do you get from an EcoFlow Delta 3 power station? Let's check this one out. EcoFlow Delta 3. Power it on. It will give you a display here where you can have a lot of information when you're using it. This is rated at 1024 watt hour capacity, and you can expand this one up to 5 kilowatt hour. In this display, this is the remaining capacity at 26%. You have the input and output. Let's go ahead and plug something here, my laptop, and try to see. The output here is 13 watts, and you can see the estimated hours that you can use the 26% remaining. Okay, so it basically computes it and show you how many hours you can still use this one. In this, it is 0 the input because it is not plugged or plugged in a solar. Now going back to the display here, we have the USB on-off. So you have a switch here to turn on the front panel USB charging, which is fast charging, and the Type-C 100 watts. You have the AC on-off for the 4-port front panel AC plugs here, so that you have control if this can be on or off. Delta 3 also supports 1,800 watts or 3,600 watts power output surge in case you plug something that requires that amount of power. This feature is called the X-Boost. One other feature here is the response time of EcoFlow when power is off, that it can respond under 10 milliseconds. When power is off, you can still continue what you're doing because it responded right away, and it will use its own power to supply the things that you need so that you will not be interrupted. Well, at the back of this Delta 3, there are other ports that we can see here. We just go ahead and open this one. We have the AC where you can plug this one to the wall outlet and charge this one, and it can work as a UPS. Then you will have this port for extra battery because you can expand this one to up to 5 kilowatt hour. And then of course you have the port for the solar panel. Below here is an output DC that you can use. It has a turn on and off as well. Now to give you a quick demo, guys, let's go ahead and try to plug in this printer and see how it works. And even my laptop, let's go ahead and try this one so we can see how it really works. There you go, guys. My laptop and my printer is plugged in and it is working well. I hope you have learned something from this video, guys, and hope to see you in the next one. See ya. Bye-bye.